Link Google Authenticator to Bitget. How to link Google Authenticator to Bitget? Now, first of all, open the Bitget app. Now, from the top left corner, tap on the square icon. Now, next to your name, there is a little arrow. Now, tap on it. Now, after that, tap on security. Now, go and tap on Google Authenticator. Tap on next. Now, after that, we need to copy this code and now go to the Google Authenticator app. Now tap on it. So now we need to add this code. Now just tap on plus. Now after that, tap on enter setup key. Now code name is called by Bitget. So just to remember it. Now our key is pasted here. Now tap on add. And now as you can see, this is we need to wait to finish this like the time. And now after that, I will just tap on it and you will copy it. And now I will go here and just paste it. And now click on next. Now after that, as you can see, we need to go to our email inbox and you will find the code to verify. Now after that, as you can see, just wait. And as you can see, we link the Google Authenticator to our Bitget account. Now, as you can see, so this is how to link Google Authenticator to Bitget Exchange. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.